In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add or remove dictionaries for your books on your Kobo Libra 2. So in order to do that, we'll need to press the More button, which is located in the bottom right corner of our screen, and now move to the settings. From here, find Languages and Dictionaries and select Dictionaries Installed, Edit. From here, you'll be able to pick whichever dictionaries you want to use and download. So for example, right now I have installed English, Deutsch to English, Espanol to English, Francis to English, Italiano to English, Netherlands to English, and Portuguese to English. And here let's add, for example, English to Deutsch. Now let's press Save. It will download the dictionary as it requires some of space on your storage. So now our storage has increased and we can press again on the Edit button and here select the same one that we've just picked, which was English to Deutsch, and here click on it. It will be removed from your device. Press Save. And our total size just dropped. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.